Magic Mike sees Magic Bird.
Hey, Magic Bird. What's wrong?
I don't like being a magic bird. It makes me angry.
I'll help calm you down, Magic Bird. Here. I'll blow on your forehead.
Magic Mike blows on Magic Bird's forehead.
That's not helping me calm me down. It's not helping.
Let me pat you on the back, Magic Bird.
Magic Mike pats Magic Bird on the back.
That's still not helping quite yet.
Well, what will calm you down?
Well, I like to sing.
I know. Let's sing a song together.
Okay. Let's sing our famous song.
They sing together.
Bitch, wanna get crunk.